Whiskers, the neighborhood cat, entertained everyone with his antics. One day, he declared his candidacy for mayor, promising unlimited catnip and extra treats for all felines. His campaign kickoff involved him getting stuck in a mailbox, making headlines across the town. The debate stage became a spectacle when he chased a laser pointer instead of answering questions. Ultimately, although he lost to the Golden Retriever candidate, he won hearts. Whiskers became the honorary mayor, leading monthly catnip days that even the dogs enjoyed.